Hello, good morning everyone. Today is 2024 June 14. So today we covers like about 8 stocks by the Stock Pick Research House. Let's starting with the disclaimer. All the stock mentioned in this video is serving as learning purposes. It's not buying selling call for the viewer subscriber. Let's starting with the overnight US market. Overnight US market still continuously climbing higher. S&P 500, Nasdaq climbing higher 0.2 and 0.3%, while the Dow Jones closing flat, dropped by 0.1%. So stock feature a little change after S&P post fourth consecutive closing records. There is nothing much special in the US market at this moment. There's nothing special. And we direct go for the chartings for the US market chartings overnight. I mean, previous day I did mention that the indexes in the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 has been open the gap up, right? So it's still pretty much strong right now. Although there is overnight posting red candles, anyhow, it's still closing at the record high. Nasdaq 17,667 level. Let's check on the S&P 500 5433. Okay, 5433. Dow Jones is pretty much sideways ranging 38,600 plus. There's nothing much right over there. I would go for the Malaysia market directly. Overnight Malaysian markets up by 1 point. Okay, let's check on the chartings. So it's again it opened higher and closed lower. Open at 1612, closing at 1610. Although the index posted positive 1 point, it has been continuously how many days for the red candles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Open high, close low, open high, close low. And anyhow, the current trending is already posted a slightly lower low, lower high, and then the it's pretty much overall short term is sideways ranging with bearish bias. Anyhow, over the long term durations for the KLCI is on the uptrend because moving average 20 days, 50 days, 100 days still sloping upside. Okay. So let's check on the stock pick by the research house. The first one will be by M Plus Kobe. Kobe has been picked by multiple research house continuously because it's on the uptrending. Sorry. So overnight there's a string round there, closing at 233, up by 6%, 4 million shares traded. And this one Kobe, they did mention M Plus mentioned buy above 233. So meaning you are buying 234. And I believe they wrote it wrong for the stop price 240. Now the price is 233. How to stop at 240? And the target would given was 242 and 248 around there. I assuming their stop loss level would be based on their back old record, their trading styles. I believe their stop price they wrote it wrong would be somewhere around 230. Because they used to placing their stop loss very thin, very narrow, tight, very tight of the stop loss level, which is couple cent away. So I presume that they are supposed to post it at 240, 230 as a stop loss level. Anyhow, if you want to trade for this one and you don't have time to keep on stick to the screen, I was suggesting you change the stop price, or maybe even the target price as well. Okay, so this type of trading plan not suited to every short-term trader. So I would say more than 80% is not suitable for this type of trading plan. And okay, next one will be Spring Art. So this one is my uptrending stocks. There's a potential swing to bounce off the 20 days moving average. Overnight closing 245, and M Plus saying buy above 245, meaning you are buying 25, and the stop loss level would be 235. Target is 26 and 27. Again, this is not suitable for everyone. So the next topic would be KKB. KKB Engineering. So we check on the swing. There's a swing route there. You can see the candlestick route on the last one previous day, closing at 184. Although the volume is pretty much not much, less than 1 million, even less than 500,000. So the stop price given by them would be this one is by CGS, would be 170, and the target would be 198 and 208. So let's zoom out a little bit so you can view the target with target level. I'm going to share the chartings and all this charting in the Telegram and WhatsApp channel. You can find it in the description level. So the next stock will be Perdana Petroleum. So they have a technical buy. So this one you can see there's a U curve route here. The trending is pretty much I would say so far so good, healthy. Overnight closing is 405. There's a string route there with a volume 32 million share traded, and the stop loss level will be 36 cents acceptable, and the target 43 and 455. Okay, so yep. So the next stock pick by M Bank would be Magni. So Magni, wow, there's a string as well, 3.2 million share traded, overnight close up by nearly 5%. So this one you can see the string is very strong right here, and selling pressure on top of 233 also strong level here. If you want to trade for this stock, I was suggesting you wait for the pullback. You wait for the pullback somewhere around 229, somewhere around there. Then stop loss level given by them would be 216. And the target would be 250, 270. So let's zoom out a little bit. So there we go for the resistance. Yeah, pretty much standard, acceptable target support. So the next stock will be by ISP VLB Westland. So this one newly listed stocks back in last year's. So we can see there's a string over there. They are calling for the buy because of the breakout 40 cent level, 40 cent, which is somewhere around all this candlestick right here. And then one night closing actually was 415, which is already broken for the resistance. And stop loss level given will be 37 cent. Target is 44 and 48 cent. 44 is we are able to see the first day right over there. 48 seems to be uncharted territory for the VLB. So the next stock will be Chengil, is it? Medical. Okay, so this one is pending for the breakout call by ISP. Pending breakout 3-2 So overnight closing is 3-2 meaning that if you are so potentially it goes to 33 cents, then you can buy in. That's why they're calling for the breakout. Or you are talking about pending closing above 325. That's different theory, you know. I'm not sure. Most of the time they are saying pending breakout. I don't know what that means, and already broken or what. But the price is some way worse and is the yesterday closing. What do you mean by pending breakout? Okay, so okay, the stop loss price given will be 30 cents. Target given will be 3-4 and 37 cents. More or less those pending breakout or breakout call, you need to use your wisdom whether the what they call the breakout is solid or not. So this one is very much depends on the experience in the industry. Okay, so the next research house will be by Maybank Investment Bank, ECA. ECA, you can see the sideways ranging. It has been happen since end of January. So it's been trading sideways for how many months? 6 months, 5 to 6 months, right? So it potentially break out. That's why they are calling for the these stocks, because the previous high was somewhere around 48 cents. Yes, yesterday closing was 48 cents as well. So they are calling for the stop loss level 43 cents, and 43 cents is around how many cents? For 5 cents. 5 cents stop loss level seems to be slightly too large. So the dimension buying range 47 or 48. If I would say, suggesting you buying these stocks, maybe you need to adjust your stop loss level slightly higher, and also wait slightly pull back for these stocks. Okay, yes, wait for the slightly pull back maybe around 47, 46 half, somewhere around there. Okay, yep. So the target given was 55 and 62 cents. So the next stock would be day 3. Day 3 is moving sideways for how many months? More than 6, 7, 8 months already. So overnight closing 39 half. Stop loss level given was 36. Target for 3 half, 49 half. So over day we don't see the volume was 2.2 million, 2.1 million share trade overnight. So it's not so there's no strong sentiment for the reversal at this moment. Anyhow, they are playing for the pick for this one is potentially for the breakout. So the next stock would be DSS. Oh, another one, DSS. So overnight closing, this one is the swing play for the short-term breakout over there. 41 cent closing yesterday. And the stop loss level given was 36 cent, target 45515, pretty much standard support resistance right over there. Okay, so the last research house would be by Hong Leong Bank. This one is TRC, right? Yep, TRC. TRC Synergy. So this seems to be look like a flag pattern right over there. There's no always for the potential buy signal at this moment. I believe this one they are playing for the rebound for the support level. Anyhow, you can check for their details at the bottom right over there. And overnight closing for the 7 cents stop loss level for 3 half. Okay, target 50 cent, 53 cent. 50, 53, and one more is 57 cent. Let's zoom out a little bit, see we can, yeah, 57 cent. So you can get the charting in the channels later on. So I believe that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.